Fast Loan Advance reviews pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're looking for quick cash, Fast Loan Advance may seem tempting, but most people get this wrong by underestimating the cost. The surprising truth is that short-term loans often carry higher % fees, so understanding pricing is essential before borrowing. Loan amounts typically range from $2 to $500, with repayment periods of 2 to 12 weeks. Interest rates can vary widely, often between 15% and 30% for short-term loans, and late payments usually incur additional fees. Some loans also include origination or processing charges, so the total repayment can exceed the initial amount significantly. What you get: fast access to funds, minimal credit checks, and flexible application processes. What you give up: high costs compared to traditional loans, potential impact on credit scores if late, and the risk of debt cycles if not repaid on time. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Borrow only what you truly need. Step 2. Check the total repayment amount including fees. Step 3. Set up automatic payments to avoid late charges. Step 4. Compare with other lenders to ensure you're getting the lowest possible cost. You won't believe what happens next if you miss even one payment. Late fees compound quickly. The surprising truth is that Fast Loan Advance works best for emergency situations when you understand their payment terms fully. In conclusion, Fast Loan Advance provides immediate access to cash but comes with higher costs than standard loans. By understanding fees, rates, and repayment schedules, you can use this service responsibly without falling into unnecessary debt.